Are you planning on wearing a costume?
Well, not exactly.
Oh, I get it. What better costume than a comic book store guy, huh? Brilliant, Charlie. Really sharp.
Actually, I've been working on something for a while. I got the idea from a DIY video on the internet. So, after a few weeks of hard work and several visits to the emergency room, I can proudly announce that I have the best costume ever, and I believe no one will disagree.
Okay, so now you got my attention. What costume is that?
A comic store guy costume.
Are you kidding me?
A comic store guy costume with claws.
Wow!
Pretty cool, huh?
I agree, no one will disagree. They look really sharp.
Hey, I could carve up a pig in 5 seconds with these babies. I almost had to use them last night in a public restroom.
Be careful, Charlie. Comics and sharp weapons are the first step to ending up on the news. What kind of special collector's items will you be having in there this year?
Oh, there'll be lots of different things. And some signed stuff, too.
Signed by who? That decrepit old guy you told me about before?
Exclusively.
Is that all? Don't you have anything out of the ordinary? Something, flashy or paranormal?
Well, now that you mention it, yes, there is something. But it's top secret. You'll just have to wait and see.
Oh, come on, Charlie. You know being patient is not my thing.
That's not my problem.
Dude, we've known each other since college. Don't you remember? Come on. Do it for old time's sake.
Oh, since college, huh?
Yeah, those were the days, right?
Yeah, I remember you guys never wanted me to go with you. I remember you throwing rocks at me every time I came close. And I remember you told me that a psychic said I would die in less than a year.
Yeah, that was a good one, huh?
A good one? I was totally terrified for a whole year, thinking that I could die any second. Do you have any idea of the hell I went through?
How funny.
Yeah, and that time when you decided to recreate the movie Carrie with me as the star, and you didn't have any blood, so you threw a bucket of rotten fish heads over me?
Oh, those were the days.
I'm allergic to fish. I was in hospital for a week thanks to you. I almost died, remember?
Oh, that's right. You're allergic to fish. I remember now. You turned all blue and your body got so swollen I thought you were going to burst like a balloon. Oh boy, I miss those days.
I don't.
I kinda have a problem.
Oh, let me guess. And that problem's name is, Matthew Griffin.
Well, yeah, kind of.
And how come your loyal minion is not here with you? Did you have a fight over the last slice of pizza again?
Not quite. This is something way more serious, but I'm not sure I want to talk about it with you.
I see. So it was about super hot chick.
No.
Don't worry, dude. I'm with you. Being so damn hot has to be some kind of mutant power. There isn't any other explanation.
No, it's nothing like that, Charlie.
Say no more. Matt is at it again. As the dungeon master, I warned him that alcohol and dice don't mix. Now he could be anywhere, thinking he's a level 26 warrior female elf. The consequences could be catastrophic, because we know that elf doesn't beat around the bush.
No, Charlie, that's not it. But Matt is in some serious trouble.
Did you guys break the rules of the dungeon again?
No, how can I put this? Look, right now, Matt is just a mass of blood and minced flesh.
Are you serious?
I'm afraid I am. No matter what I do, no matter how hard I try, the ones I love will always be the ones who pay.
Aw, cut the crap, Peter Parker. Jeez.
Look, Charlie, I'm not very fond of you. Not at all. In fact, I sometimes dream of your funeral, but let's not get bogged down with details. The thing is that even though I don't like you at all, I believe you're the only one I can talk to about this.
Well, come on. Shoot.
I'm not sure, but I think I've altered the space-time continuum.
Oh, no. I knew this day would come. I knew it. You all said I was crazy when I spent all my savings on that DeLorean. Who's laughing now, Skynet? Huh? Who's laughing now?
Dude, come on, Charlie, ease up. You spent a fortune on a 110 scale replica. Even if it worked, we'd have to trust the future to mankind to your stupid hamster.
You know, Randall, you're a very negative guy. I'm not surprised you opened an interdimensional breach that's going to destroy the whole universe with that attitude.
Oh yeah? Well, now I'm feeling the urge to destroy a comic book store. You know what I mean?
Improbable. I have a full-size Captain Red cutout right here. He would never stand for that.
Come on, dude. This is serious. I'm trapped in time.
Holy Tannhauser Gate. Say no more. I'll get Bill Murray's number.
Hold it, Charlie. Bill can't help this time.
Why not? He's been through something very similar. I think we should at least check IMDb.
Shut up and listen carefully. And that's how you make a homemade anti-gravity system using a cat with a piece of buttered toast attached to its back.
Very interesting, but do you think it would be possible to do it without the toast? I mean, what if we just smear some butter on the cat's back?
Maybe, but I don't think it would work the same without any wheat. So, let's go back to my problem. Any ideas?
Just one. Have you considered therapy? There's a great psychiatrist right down the street.
A psychiatrist? Oh, come on. I'm serious.
Randall, your story fascinates me, but something similar happened to me. And I've learned that the best thing you can do is go to a shrink. A bunch of pills will make you feel better.
Ooh, free pills doesn't sound that bad. Maybe I will pay him a visit.
It'll be good for you, trust me. Dr. Johnson is a real expert in his field.
I'm not gonna take it. Charlie would miss it. I don't think poison is Charlie's weak spot. Well, well, well. What do we have here? It's a super hotshot catalog, just like the one old Phil used to have. I don't think opening that thing is gonna be that easy. Holy fuck, this is some security system. This could work as a lockpick, but it's still missing something. Think, Randall, think. No. It's a good idea, but it's not quite the right shape. This doesn't quite work. I think I need something a little more aggressive than this hammer to change this wire shape. No can do, amigo. The marker is completely dried out. I think I need something a little more aggressive than this hammer to change this wire shape. I have no reason to do that. I can't. It's closed. That's the psychiatrist's office. Looks like he's already closed. That's the psychiatrist's office. Looks like he's already closed. Yeah, just looking at it makes me want to wield it and go guard the wall, but I'm not that big a geek.
Hey, are you gonna pay for that?
Of course. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, but not from you. Do you even have one?
Well, I have Dr. Johnson's business card and a subway pass. Do you take any of those?
Randall, leave me alone.
I don't think I'm gonna find any use for it. Comic books, and more comic books. Ah, come on. I stopped stealing action figures when I was 23. At least there's a few different kinds. I like variety. Comic books, and more comic books. Those are all for sale. Not interested. That's Captain Red. He's a pretty lame superhero if you ask me, so no thanks. A Captain Red poster. I'm not interested at all. At least there's a few different kinds. I like variety. Extra large. Don't you have any smaller ones, you damn geek? I think I'll pass. I'm not really into wearing shirts with superheroes on them. A load of mystical warlords of Ka cards. That's Charlie, today's John Candy. It's a publicity poster for the Sci-Fi Con on Wednesday. At least there's a few different kinds. I like variety. Most of them are real classics, but no thanks. I have a life now. That's Charlie's glass. I have no reason to do that. I don't think that makes sense. I don't want to glue that. No. I don't want to glue that. I'm not drinking from the same glass as Charlie. So, Charlie, is this Super Hot Chick catalog for sale?
Of course, but do you really have the $500,000 it takes to buy it?
Are you serious? Look at me. Right now I'm stacked, but I still haven't got that. How the hell can it be worth that much?
How little you know, Randal Hicks. It is one of the very few copies in existence of the 72 edition, the rarest and most coveted of all Wonder Comics collectibles. It goes without saying, it's also the most expensive. Why do you think I've got it locked up under the guard of such a sophisticated and futuristic security system?
Understood. That purple tentacle is pretty old. I wish I could take it home, but I can't. Ah, the mythical Super Hot Chick, star of a generation of teenage wet dreams. Truth is, I've never read one of her comics, but her lingerie catalog came in handy when I had to wrap my lunch.